Planning a quick getaway? Whether it's a bustling city break, a scenic road trip along winding country lanes, or a weekend escape by train, Tripp has the perfect travel companions for every short break. Our luggage is designed to combine style, durability, and convenience, so you can focus on enjoying the journey, not worrying about your bags. Our cabin suitcases are the go-to choice for stress-free air travel. Compact yet surprisingly spacious, they're designed to fit most airline size requirements, so you can skip the check-in desk and head straight to security. Inside, you'll find organized compartments and secure straps to keep everything in place. Before you fly, use our online airline size guide to check exactly which cabin suitcases fit your airline requirements. Need a little more room? Our medium suitcases give you the extra space for those trips when a single outfit just won't do. The expandable zip on most of our medium cases offers flexible packing options, while the lightweight yet sturdy build makes it easy to handle. Perfect for long weekends, family visits, or short trips where you want more outfit choices without carrying a full-sized case. For the items you need at hand, our flight bags are a travel essential. They're lightweight, easy to carry, and designed to slip neatly under an airline seat or next to you on the train. From passports and tablets to snacks and chargers, everything is within reach when you need it. They also double as a practical day bag for sightseeing or commuting. We also have a variety of other types of travel bags, from vanity cases to holdalls, so you can find your perfect travel companion. From the cobbled streets of your favourite city, to the smooth platforms of a train station, to the open road on a weekend drive, Tripp Luggage is built to keep up with you. 360-degree wheels, ergonomic handles, and robust build make travelling effortless, wherever your next adventure takes you. Discover your perfect travel companion at tripp.co.uk.